Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to create a video in Canva. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official canva.com website right here if you haven't already. And after opening it up guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the homepage of Canva, where you can go ahead and get started logging into your account. So that's exactly what you want to do. Go ahead and log into your account in the upper right corner. If you do not already have one, just go ahead and create a new one, and after logging in, you'll be greeted by this main page right here. That is the homepage of Canva, where you can see all the business options that you can access right here. You can see your projects and so on. So let's go ahead and see how to get started creating a video. It's very easy, and all we have to do guys is go right here into the upper right corner and click on create a design. After clicking on create a design guys, this is going to open up this new menu of all the options that you can create. You have all the different types of files right here, and if you scroll down a bit, you'll be able to find this option right here that says video. So guys, let's go ahead and click on video, and after clicking on video, this is now going to open up a new tab where we can get started creating our video. So here we have the options, the templates, we have the styles, we have the elements, tags that we can add, and so on, and you can play around with all of this until you're satisfied with your video, and then you can go ahead and get started with sharing it. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.